After all my work in the kitchen, my knee just wasn't up for it. You know?
I see.
Taking all my measurements, moving shit around, lifting, yeah.
Socks likes that triangle. I don't know what it is about cats, but they like to clean themselves every day.
Well, that's good. They're just like human beings. I mean, we like to clean ourselves every day. Well, most of us do. There's a few people I know that truly live by the saying, hey, I only take a shower once a year, whether I need it or not.
Yeah.
Those people are just disgusting.
Who would be like that?
I know people that are just have. Well, at first you're seeing people in the mall or at Walmart, and it's just very bad personal hygiene.
That video I sent you with the motorcycle, that family was like that.
I mean, come on, no matter how poor you are, you can have good hygiene. Well, at least in the United States. I'm not saying poor third world country, that's a different story. But
The thing with socks is she'll clean herself just whatever, how long it takes. There's no concept of time for a cat.
well, they sleep 80% of their life, so
I know.
doesn't sound like a bad way to go if you think about it.
I mean, they just clean themselves until the job is done. They don't care how long it takes, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why the doctor says I'm like so tired.
The doctor says you're so tired?
Well, you know how you notice I'm tired a lot?
Yes, you're chronically sleep deprived.
It's not necessarily like the amount of pain you're dealing with on your knee that's just taking a toll on your body.
I see. Now Socks is working on her paws. She doesn't leave any part of her untouched.
Nope, she's very clean.
I think it's just amazing how cats are thorough. They don't forget to clean any part of themselves. And she's doing that right now. And then well, she has the one paw and then she does the other. So she has it all figured out.
Yeah.
Wow. She's actually having a lot of fun with the new cleaned up kitchen. It's probably because it's, stuff I haven't seen before.
Uh-huh.
And then she just kind of makes herself comfy. Maybe she's going to sleep there. I put some paper there. She'd really like that. But, wow. She's going to stay there quite a while, I think.
Yeah, I don't want to get her too comfortable.
No, I guess not.
By the time you get home.
Right. Okay.